Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about perfume dupes. लग्जरी बहुत ही महंगे परफ्यूम्स के ड्यूप्स मिले बट रेगुलर ड्यूप्स नहीं मिले. ये सारे ड्यूप्स आर फ्रॉम Zara. दे आर अवेलेबल ऑन Zara. आई थिंक 1-2 महीने से इंस्टाग्राम एंड इवन पिंटरेस्ट पे कोलाजेस बहुत फेमस हो रहे हैं, वायरल हो रहे हैं ऑफ Zara ड्यूप्स फॉर रियली एक्सपेंसिव लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट बाय देम. मेरे पास जो भी लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स अवेलेबल है उनके जो ड्यूप्स अवेलेबल है Zara पे मैंने वो खरीदे हैं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड टेस्ट इट आउट एंड सी if these are actual dupes. So yeah, having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. I think let's start with a perfume that gets me the most amount of compliments. I'm talking about YSL's Black Opium and the dupe for that is Zara's Gardenia. Honestly, packaging तो बहुत ही अलग है, बिल्कुल भी dupes नहीं है in terms of packaging. Obviously, YSL की packaging is just amazing. It's so sexy and very luxurious as you can tell, and this perfume smells insane. It's a very sexy kind of nighttime perfume. Moment of truth, let's smell Gardenia. By the way, मैंने ये सारे perfume smell नहीं किए हैं, मैं on camera live reaction देने वाली हूँ. Okay, so I will say that they do smell very similar. इन दोनों में orange blossom का smell बहुत prominent I feel like, which is why both of them smell very familiar. I think this smells 70%, 65 to 70% just like Black Opium. I would say it's a pretty good dupe, very similar, and of course this is for like a fraction of the price of this expensive perfume. The biggest size is for 1790, but आप roller ball भी ले सकते हो. Of course that would be even more inexpensive. I think we've started the video on a really good note. Let's move on to the next dupe. The next perfume is a very bougie one. We have Gucci Bloom and the dupe for that is Zara's Tuberose Noir. I hope I'm saying it right. Okay, let's smell Gucci. Very floral, just like the name suggests. Okay, time for the Zara dupe. Okay. So I actually don't think these smell familiar. I would say 10% maybe. I don't think I would consider it a dupe of Gucci Bloom. Gucci Bloom is a very expensive smelling floral fragrance. This one also has tuberose. This one also has tuberose, but this just smells kind of cheap, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like the smell on its own. I'm not the biggest fan of this scent. I'm gonna give this dupe combination a thumbs down. This is not a dupe. I think let's do a men's perfume because why not? I specifically love this perfume. I wear it a lot of times. Aditya also wears it, and I'm talking about Paco Rabanne's Million Elixir, and the dupe is called Yumo from Zara Man. Again, packaging भी बिल्कुल भी similar नहीं है. Let's smell it. I'm running out of places to like spray it on. Oh my god, I love this fragrance. Let's smell the dupe. Let's see if it's actually a dupe. Okay, so second one in a row is a fail. ये वाला जो perfume है वो बहुत ही night time perfume है and it smells like leather. It also has vanilla in it. It's a very amazing sexy nighttime scent and I love this. Whereas this one also is a very nighttime sexy smelling perfume on its own, but not similar in my opinion. I'm gonna have to give this a thumbs down. I'm gonna have to smell some coffee because overload of fragrance हो गया है, so need to cleanse the palette. Okay, let's move on to the next fragrance. The next luxury perfume that we have is a brand that I actually don't own a lot of perfumes from them. I just have one and that too a mini. So we have Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne and the dupe is called Ebony Wood from Zara. दोनों minis है मेरे पास. Let's start off by smelling Jo Malone. Okay, so as the name suggests, there's definitely a woody, warm element to it, but at the same time, it's very fresh because of the sea salt. Zara वाले का नाम भी wood ebony है, तो we know कि wooden ही है, like woody smelly है basically. Ooh, this is good. I think this could be a dupe. So I'm not gonna say that this is 100% identical smelling perfume. 70% similar है because of the woody base. But इसमें pink peppercorn का बहुत ही overpowering smell है, जबकि ये बहुत ही subtle और fresh है. That's the best way I can explain it, but it's a pretty good dupe, I would say. Okay, let's move on to the next one because the next perfume is my absolute favorite. I think if I had to pick just one perfume, and you know this is really difficult for me, I would pick the Kayali's Vanilla 28, and the dupe for that is called Red Vanilla from Zara. I love this perfume so much. I think you guys can see it. I use it a lot, and by the way, this lasts for an entire day and even more. And कपड़ों पे छिड़कोगे तो दो दिन वो कपड़ों में से इसकी स्मेल आएगी. I think it's such a good perfume. I love vanilla, but it's a very expensive smelling vanilla. So let's see if the dupe that we have is even close. Oh my god, smells divine. I'm literally running out of places. Straight up no, this is not a dupe of Kayali Vanilla. I was actually really looking forward to this one, and I was hoping कि ये वाला इसका dupe हो, because I mean ये बहुत ही महंगा perfume है, तो अगर इसका कोई अच्छा dupe मिल गया तो why not? But definitely no, big no. And the last perfume that we have is also one of my favorites. I think you could say that it's my number 2. It used to be my number 1 before the Kayali one came along, but this one is a क्लासिक. अगर आप कोई भी लग्जरी परफ्यूम रिकमेंडेशन वीडियो देखोगे उसमें 99% ये परफ्यूम होगा ही. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कैरोलिना हरेरा's गुड गर्ल, एंड द ड्यूप इज कॉल्ड डीप गार्डन फ्रॉम Zara. This perfume is iconic. It's legendary, right from like the bottle, the packaging, to the way it smells and makes you feel. Deep Gardenia has a lot to live up to, so let's start smelling, sniffing, spraying. Let's do it. Amazing. Okay, final verdict. Yeah, it smells similar. I will say that because इनके दोनों के दो ingredients same है. Tuberose and tonka beans दोनों में है, and they do smell similar, but इसका layering is another level. There's almond in here, there's also cocoa in here, there's jasmine. I know ये सारी चीजें साथ में सुन के इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, but it's another level. It smells bougie. It makes you smell so bougie, so rich, very luxurious. Whereas this one also smells nice on its own, but I feel like ये इसका सस्ता वर्जन है. Obviously है भी सस्ता वर्जन, but smell maybe it's not as elegant and rich as this one. But I think I'm gonna say that this is a close dupe. But if you want an exact dupe of this one, I will link it down below. It's from Rene. I think it's called Bloom by Rene, and it literally smells 95% like this one. Obviously it doesn't last like this one. This one also lasts literally the entire day. वो वाला goes away in like 3-4 hours. Obviously उसको reapply कर लो. बहुत सस्ता है ये वाला, काफी महंगा है, but अगर आपको चाहिए मैं लिंक नीचे छोड़ दूंगी. So I think overall 50-50 था ये वीडियो में. हमें dupes आधे अच्छे मिले, आधे उतने अच्छे नहीं मिले. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a part 2, because there are so many more dupes out there. I would love to try it out for you guys. You guys know I love perfumes. So this was a lot of fun for me to do, of course. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Of course, follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!